Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Wow, it's a girl Sima Soda and Confectionery. If you're new to my channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment. And for my returning subscribers, I really appreciate. So in today's recipe, we are making another type of a stew recipe, not a regular one. No, this one contains veggies, green beans, carrot and so ever. So in today's recipe, we are now getting ready for this stew. This is a stew sauce with veggies. So you have to cut in your green beans, not short size, at least let it be longer. Then you also chop your carrots, let it be a little longer too. Then your green beans, let it be long, at least it will be seen. That's the beauty of it, that longness, that's the beauty. So here we are washing the meat for the stew, this stew sauce. You're washing the meat, so make sure that you add salt while washing so that it can kill all those germs. You won't like to see it, Abby. So then don't forget to cut your Scotch bonnet pepper. Here inside a clean pot, pour in your already washed meat. Add your spices, the seasonings of your choice. You have added Maggi and salt. Stir it and cover the pot. Allow it to cook for like 5 minutes before you can add a little water for it to cook finally, for it to get finally done. Then in another pot, add in your groundnut oil, your chopped onions and your blended tomato paste. So then this tomato, you have to stir it and allow it to completely dry up the water. In this video, I will allow these tomatoes. I will allow it now for it to dry up the water. Now, finally, the tomatoes stew is almost getting ready because, as you can see now, did you see the difference between the first and this? It have dried water for 10. Now it's for us to add in our tomato puree, that is the tin tomato or store-bought. So you give it a thorough mix it very well so that the two mix together. Compare. Now I'm using water to still rinse the plate because I don't want anyone to so after that I'll still leave it for some minutes for it to cook. At least the puree will also get hit with the hotness of the fire. Then after that, you now add your seasoning cube, your spices of your choice. Now I'm adding the seasoning cube. I'm using Maggi. I'll add the Maggi. After adding Maggi, I also add in my salt. Yeah, add your salt. It's most important. Salt is important in every meal. You stir it, but not too much. So too much salt is not good. Here I'm adding my spices. I'm using spicity and the chicken beni. So you add it as well, or any spices of your choice is okay. Then you stir it again, and you allow it to also for some minutes so that the oil will bubble out. Yeah, so we're adding our protein, the meat with the meat stock. You stir it as well. Then you add water. Yes, so don't over add the water, small, little by little. As you add, you stir, depending on your thickness or your choice. If you want it to be too thick, it's that for you. So I think the looseness, the consistency is okay by me. So it's not too thick, it's not watery. So that is it. And you allow it to cook for like 5 minutes so that everything will bubble, cook. The spices will also be cooked. Then you add our veggies. You can see now the green pepper, sorry, and the Scotch bonnet will go in first. You stir it. After stirring now, you are now adding our green beans. Did you see the size, the length of it? Adding your green beans. Stir it as well. Then now it's time for us to add the chopped carrot as well. You stir it too. At this point, the food is almost ready. Almost ready. Because nothing left again for us to do. Is it not stewing? Then you cover pot and allow it to sit for like maybe 2 or 3 minutes. You know, these veggies doesn't need their high heat. So when it's 2 minutes, just stir it and off your lights. That's all. The food is ready. Did you see what I'm seeing? Is it not tantalizing? Is it not looking nice? Is it not yummy? Please don't forget, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. Please, dear. Hit it. Hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment. And also put on your notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I post a new video. And for my returning subscribers, I love you all. Here, I'm also washing my rice. You know, I like it with rice. Me and better thing, no? So I'm boiling the rice. I've boiled it. Now I'm cooking it finally. Yes, the rice is ready too. Come and join me, my sister. Come and join me, yo. It's yummy, yummy. It's yummy, yummy. Don't forget to share it. And don't forget to write your comments on the comment section. Just let me know what is in your mind. If it is good or if it is bad, or if you did not like it or you like it. Just let me know what you think. Bye. Thank you for watching. Love you. Don't forget to subscribe, my sister, please. Ouch. You have to come and have a taste of it.